Gukira gwa thirikari ya Kenya na Tanzania ona thutha wa muteteri wa ihoto cia umundu Mwambiri Mwagodi kura ni kurathie na mbere gututhura ciuria nyingi muno makiria thutha wa family no kuhura ripoti kuri honge cia borithi.
We have now been told that they do not have jurisdictional authority to take statements from the family, and we do not understand why they would refuse to take statements from the family of a Kenyan citizen, and yet they've recorded him missing as a missing person.
Ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu riu marenda bururi wa Tanzania uge kuria Mwambiri ari na mamuhe kamweke ga kwaraniria na mawakiri ake angikorwo kuri na ihetia ekite marenda kinyo igoti-ini.
So we are just asking the Tanzanian government and the Kenya government, where are your voices in this?
Call upon the Tanzanian government to immediately release Mwambiri.
We want Mwambiri brought back soonest, failure to which we will not take it lightly. And we will have also to now reach out to the Tanzanian High Commissioner to Kenya.
Maroiga ni manyitete ohoro ati Mwambiri muthenya wa ira ni aracokirio mukawa-ine uria arutaga wira arangiritwo kuria maroire indo ciake iria ahuthagira na marathie nacio. Na kuo mwena wa Mombasa ateteria ihoto cia umundu ni meyumiritie na kuga marenda Mwambiri arekererio kana akinyio igoti-ini angikorwo he mahetie kite.
Na tunasema Mwambiri Mwagodi must be released unconditional. Na kama kuna kesi yoyote mwanamwandama nayo, then sheria ifuatwe. Tuko na koti, hata kule Tanzania tuko na koti.
You should stop abductions, stop intimidation, stop harassment and release people wenye wako wanaweza kuingia katika madebe kuweza kuhakikisha kwamba kuna kuwa na free and fair elections in Tanzania.
Mwambiri akoretwo akiruta thirikari ya William Ruto mahetia oro hamwe na kuruta makanitha mahetia. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma guku Mombasa ni ndetagwo Francis Madi.